In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find LinkedIn URL on iPhone. If you need to share your LinkedIn profile with someone, whether it's for networking, job applications, or simply adding it to another platform, the good news is that you can find your profile link directly in the LinkedIn app on your iPhone in just a few taps. Start by opening the LinkedIn app and making sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile photo, usually located near the top of the app. Tap on your profile photo to open the account menu and then select View Profile. This will take you to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Once you're on your profile, look near the Add Section button. Right beside it, you'll see the More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Tap that icon to open additional profile options. This menu gives you access to settings and details related to your public profile information. From the list of options, tap Contact Info. This section contains the main details associated with your LinkedIn profile, including your profile link. When the Contact Info page opens, look for the area labeled Your Profile. Under that section, you'll see your LinkedIn URL displayed. At this point, you can copy the link from there and use it wherever you need. This is the direct web address to your LinkedIn profile, so it's the version you can paste into emails, resumes, application forms, or messages. If you're sharing your profile professionally, it's a good idea to double-check that your profile is up to date before sending the link out. One helpful tip is to make sure you copy the full link exactly as shown so that anyone who receives it can open your profile without issues. If the app gives you a copy option, use that rather than trying to type the address manually, since that helps avoid mistakes. So, to quickly recap, open the LinkedIn app, tap your profile photo, choose View Profile, tap the 3-dot More icon next to Add Section, select Contact Info, and then find your profile link under your profile and copy it. That's how to find your LinkedIn URL on iPhone.